Hi, this video will be explaining Nsfas application cycle, step by step. Before we can start, I would like to explain processing steps. As you can see above this red dot or letter, you can see a finger, a hand with a finger pointing to the right side. So this thing, it means next step, as you can see it appearing here on payments. And then this green tick, it means that the step is being completed. As you can see here, all the steps have been completed. This arrow, it means the next step. This warning sign, it means awaiting information. It might be missing documents or what. And then as for this circle with a line, it means unsuccessful, which means that it is rejection. So the first one is submit. So when you submit your document or your application, let's say your application is going to be on submitted. So it means that your application has been loaded into Nsfas system. Filtering. The system check if you are a returning student and whether you have a previous qualification. So they just only check if you have a previous qualification and also if you are a returning student. Validation. Under validation, Nsfas conduct third parties check with SASSA or Department of Home Affairs. So here they're just only checking if like all your documents are in order, like your ID, is it your ID or what? Yeah, so they're just only checking in with SASSA along with Department of Home Affairs. Evaluation. We verify all documents you submitted during your application. So on this step, they are just only verifying all the documents that you have submitted. Funding eligibility. So on this step, we verify the household's financial status declared in your application. So they're just only checking in your household income, if like it falls under their target. Awaiting academic result. We check your academic result and institution admission status to ensure that you meet the requirements. So here they just only check if you qualify for that certain course that you have applied at a certain institution or what. And then also they check if like you do qualify, like you meet all the necessary requirements for that certain course that you have applied or registered for. Awaiting valid academic registration data from institution. We receive registration data from your institution to enable us to create a bursary agreement. So this step is the one that determines if Nsfas is going to be funding you or not. Because of on this step, it is the step whereby Nsfas await for a registration template from the institution that you have registered. Like let's say for an example, if you applied at UNISA and then during the registrations you register at UNISA itself has to take your registration template straight to Nsfas, and then Nsfas could process your allowances. So which means that they are going to pay for your registration and also give your institution your allowance. So they will see how they distribute your allowances. Signing agreement. At this stage, you need to sign your bursary agreement for Nsfas to release your allowances. So you need to sign an agreement form so that Nsfas could release your funds. So due to the pandemic, they just sign it for you automatically. Payment. Your allowances are now paid through our mobile wallet system or through your institution. So here it means that Nsfas will release your funds. It's going to pay for your registration and also give you your allowance if you qualify for one. And then please bear in mind that this step, like moving from one step to another, it might take too long. It might take too long. So it does not mean that Nsfas will not pay for you. Nsfas will pay for you. It's just that it might take time to change because of the system may not just reflect over time. So just bear in mind that as long as it is on awaiting valid registration data from institution, it means that the bursary has been approved. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do subscribe, like, and share the link of this video.